Hello, I'm Mark Kelly. I own Inbound Revenue, and I welcome you to the Inbound Revenue family. Today I'm going to walk you through the Inbound Revenue Rocket, your own CRM, where all the leads that we generate for you as part of our marketing will show up. In addition, you can use this as your own CRM to add any additional leads that come in from other sources. To access your Inbound Revenue Rocket CRM, you'll go to inboundrevenuerocket.com using your email and the password we provide you. You enter them, click sign in, and then you'll be taken to the Inbound Revenue CRM. The Inbound Revenue CRM offers you a complete CRM for both the leads that we generate and any additional leads that you want to add. This is a powerful CRM that has automations and marketing that runs in the background that we've created for you. And it allows you to capture not only all the leads that we generate for you, but leads that you generate for yourself through other means. Along the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation, and here's the main part of the screen that you'll see. The most important things are your opportunity sales pipeline. Your new leads, phone calls, form fills will automatically show here under new leads. Your contacts will automatically be added. You can also add new contacts and new opportunities manually as they come in. Should you choose to use the calendar, we can set up a calendar for you, so that people can book directly on your calendar for a Zoom or other type of visit to do quotes and things of that nature. In addition, you'll see any conversations that have been generated, calls, texts, emails. Finally, we have a dashboard where we will show you the number of opportunities that you have, how many you've closed, you'll have reporting, etc., etc. In addition, there's a reporting tab where you'll see all your calls, all your Google Ads leads, etc. Facebook leads, whatever we're generating for you. You may see other tabs, other menu options that we add along the left-hand side. For example, a Looker Data Studio that we will add for our Google Ads clients so they can have a real-time look at their data. Now, if you have any questions about how to use this powerful tool, just reach out to the team and we'll show you. But remember, the most important thing is to log in, get comfortable, get familiar, use this. If you have a website or another site where you'd like to have leads automatically generated and come into the CRM through forms on your website or through a phone number on your website, just reach out to your Inbound Revenue representative and we'll help you with that process. We want your experience with Inbound Revenue to be successful. We want you to be able to track your revenue, track your leads, and generate additional revenue for your business. Inbound Revenue is here to help you grow. If you have any questions at all about the Inbound Revenue CRM, what we like to call the Inbound Revenue Rocket, because we're here to help you rocket your sales and revenue this year. If you have any questions at all, just reach out, let us know. We'll be glad to help you. Remember, Inbound Revenue offers a full set of marketing services designed for small to medium-sized businesses. This includes Google Ads, Facebook ads, local SEO, websites, and email marketing. If you have any questions about any of those things, just go to inboundrevenue.com, fill out the form, and we'll get in touch with you.